Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to connect your Calendly to your Wix website. So if you already have Wix website, domain and so on, and you want to just connect your Calendly, you're going to go to apps right here on Wix, and you can actually click get more apps and search for Calendly right here. But I can actually, let's just search for it, Calendly. And as you can see, here's the Calendly scheduling embedded, and you can easily get bookings with it. And you just basically click add to site. And then click agree. Now you can go to your editor. Now, as you can see, you actually need to upgrade to set live, and it costs €4 per month. And you just basically it's the only plan to use Calendly. If you want to use something else, calendar, schedule, or something like that. So go to App Market, and maybe there are some free options for you and not the Calendly one. So you can actually choose some other applications, but yeah, that's how you can connect with Calendly. So if this video was helpful, please leave a like, subscribe to this channel, and I will see you next time. Bye.